Hey, today I'm going to share with you 10 different keto smoothies you can easily make on a low-carb diet. So let's just jump right into it. The first recipe we're going to start with is keto raspberry spinach smoothie. We're going to start by getting our blenders out and adding in 1/3 of a cup of raspberries, either frozen or fresh, and then I'm going to add in half a cup of coconut milk, a good source of lovely coconut flavor and healthy fats. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of MCT oil just to get more fats into your smoothie. And then 1 cup of baby spinach. I'm then going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of erythritol just to sweeten it up a little bit, and then half a cup of water just so that there's enough liquid, and half a cup of ice cubes in case you didn't use frozen raspberries. We then blend all these ingredients together to form lovely smoothie that has 6.8 grams of net carbs in a glass. Enjoy! The second recipe is keto chocolate peanut butter smoothie for all the chocolate lovers out there. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened peanut butter. Make sure it is unsweetened. And then we're going to add in half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, which is just so yummy, or any other plant-based milk, and then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of erythritol, a pinch of salt, and I'm going to add in half a cup of ice cubes just so that all of it blends beautifully. So once we start blending, our smoothie is pretty much done. This smoothie actually has 9.2 grams of net carbs. It's super delicious, it's sweet, it's a great way to feel like you're having a treat without actually breaking your keto diet. The third recipe is keto blueberry smoothie. We're going to start with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Cream cheese is quite nice here, it gives extra texture, it's quite high in fats and has some protein. And then we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of blueberries, either fresh or frozen, and then 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Okay, heavy cream, it tastes amazing. Once we add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of erythritol, you can kind of see what we're having here. And then we're going to add in half a cup of ice cubes in case we didn't use frozen blueberries, and that's it. We're going to blend all these ingredients together to create a delicious, and I'm telling you, delicious, refreshing smoothie that's so sweet, so filling, and it only has 9.5 grams of net carbs, which is great for us. The fourth recipe is keto avocado pineapple smoothie. I love pineapple, so I love this recipe. We're going to use 1/4 of a cup of pineapple chunks. We are using frozen ones. Don't use more than that because pineapple has quite a bit of sugar, okay? Then we're going to use 1/4 of an avocado, just like that, and we're going to use half a cup of heavy cream. The heavy cream is the beautiful part here that brings loads of fat into this little smoothie, and it will fill you up. And then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for that fiber, and 1 cup of water. That's it, 5 ingredients. We just blend all the ingredients together, and here we go. We have 9.9 grams of net carbs in the smoothie. It's truly delicious. It's easy to make, just 5 ingredients. Now the fifth recipe is keto matcha smoothie. It's a great way to start your day. Start with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and then 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. We're going to add in half an avocado and 2 teaspoons of MCT oil just to increase those fats, and then we're going to add in half a cup of ice cubes for the blending and half a cup of water just for that liquid, and then 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, which actually has caffeine in it, so it's a great way to start your morning. Then 1 tablespoon of erythritol and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now we blend all these ingredients together to create this beautiful green smoothie that's quite energizing, and it only has 5.6 grams of net carbs. Imagine. So yeah, it's a great way to start your day with just 486 calories. Now this keto almond butter smoothie is just delicious. We're going to start with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and then add in half an avocado. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of erythritol to really sweeten the smoothie up, and then 2 tablespoons of almond butter, my favorite part, of course. You can also use peanut butter in case you don't have any almond butter because it's a bit more expensive, and then 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of ice cubes, and half a cup of water. And we're going to blend all these ingredients together. Have fun doing it, and here we go. We have a lovely smoothie with 8 grams of net carbs and 413 calories. calories. Enjoy! The seventh recipe is strawberry smoothie. We're going to make it with half a cup of strawberries, either fresh or frozen, whatever you have. Then add in 1 tablespoon of erythritol, yes, to sweeten things up. And then I'm going to add in half a cup of ice cubes, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 5 tablespoons of heavy cream, yes, 5 heavy ones, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We blend all these ingredients together and it just creates a beautiful sweet smoothie. Erythritol is actually gut friendly, it doesn't damage your gut lining, so it's a perfect sweetener for ketogenic diet. And then we're ending up with 9.6 grams of net carbs and just 330 calories. Enjoy! The eighth recipe is keto green smoothie. It's just lovely. We're going to start with 1 cup of baby spinach, add in half an avocado, 1 stick of celery, make sure it's chopped up, otherwise it might not blend out well, and then half a cup of chopped cucumber, which is quite refreshing and has a ton of water, and then half a cup of ice cubes, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, or almond butter if you have that, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, so just get your fresh lemons, squeeze them out quite well, and then half a cup of water. And that's it. We blend all these ingredients together and we create this beautiful, refreshing, hydrating ketogenic smoothie. It only has 9 grams of net carbs and 318 calories. Enjoy! The ninth recipe is keto cinnamon smoothie. We're going to start with half a cup of coconut milk, which we love because it's sweet and has high amount of fats, and then 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other plant-based milk, and then 1 tablespoon of MCT oil to get those fats up, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, of course, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to finish it all up with a few ice cubes, although it's not necessary, but it does introduce the coldness and we kind of want our smoothies cold, right? So we just blend, and we have our smoothie ready. Just 4.4 grams, yes, you heard it right, net carb, and 308 calories, so it's quite low in carbs. A perfect way to start your day. The last but not least is our keto turmeric smoothie. Yes, we're going to start with half a cup of coconut milk, and then 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, as I said before, and then 1 teaspoon of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, our main ingredient here really, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and half a cup of ice cubes. We blend all these ingredients together to create this beautiful turmeric smoothie. It's quite refreshing, it's anti-inflammatory as well, which is great. It has 10.2 grams of net carbs, so it's a bit higher in net carbs, but otherwise it tastes amazing. It's truly special and only has 342 calories. Enjoy! So which one of these keto smoothies was your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. You can also go to allnutritious.com, get all these recipes all in one place and just swap them and have whatever you want in the morning or for lunch. Just enjoy being on keto diet. These smoothies are truly delicious, they're filling and totally worth it. So thank you for watching, have a lovely day and take care. Bye bye.